Come test drive the 2018 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, cruise control, climate control, daytime running lamps, front license plate bracket. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.